Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's called Cooking My Way with Sister Faye. I'm Sister Faye and I hope y'all having a wonderful day. Okay, let's get started. Today I will be making some homemade, easy and simple mashed potatoes. Okay, I have 4 big potatoes like this and some cold water. Make sure when I'm getting ready to turn the stove on to boil them, make sure that the water is at least 4 inches above the potato so it can like boil really good. So I'm gonna let these potatoes boil for like 45 to 50 minutes because these are some very large potatoes. I'll be back. Okay, turn the stove off. This potato's been cooking now for like 45 minutes. Let's pour this hot water off the potatoes and run some cold water over it. Because I want to peel the potatoes. It's a little messy, but hey, it's nothing water can't clean. And I want to take the knife and finish it off the tips. Place it in the clean pan. Grab another. You know what? The knife might be a little faster than this big old pillow here. I barely use it anyway. There you go. There you have it. Now, I'm going to chop these potatoes up. Again, these are some very large potatoes, so it takes longer to boil. If you have smaller potatoes, it probably take like 20 to 25 minutes at the most. Now I just want to take the knife and like beat down in it, you know, chop down in it, break them up even finer. Now, I want to add a stick of butter, sea salt butter by Kate's. The butter has to be room temperature. It's been sitting out for like 2 hours, so it softened up a lot. So I'm going to continue to drop this in as well. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of sea salt. I about know how much a tablespoon is. Get this and continue to mash. I call this my masher. Continue to mash the potatoes. I'm going to add in 1 cup of evaporated carnation milk. Evaporated. I don't pour all of it in at once. Pour a little. Mash it all around. Pour a little more. Mash it all around. While you're bringing this down, continue to mash. Try to get it as smooth as possible. Now I'm going to use the remaining. Like I said, this is for 4 big potatoes. So if you're making less and your potatoes, or your potatoes are much smaller, you know, use your own judgment. Maybe you can use a half a cup of evaporated milk, or a teaspoon of salt, which I used the tablespoon for these 4 potatoes of salt, and a cup of milk, evaporated milk. It takes a little time with this, for me anyway. I do everything by hand, so I'm going to have to beat this at least 5 minutes. Okay, I'm going to fix me a plate. I'm going to put a little parsley over this. Love me some parsley. And there you have it. Good old homemade, easy and simple mashed potatoes. Get me a spoon over here. Give it a taste. Yum, yum. I want to thank y'all for tuning in to my channel today. Again, my name is Sisterfay, and I want you to do a sister a favor, as always. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to thank y'all in advance, because I appreciate y'all. I'm out.